Hello po, good day po sa inyo. I'm Meet Sabache of DMCA Homes at kasama ko po ulit.
Hello guys, so it's me once again, Michael Bernales of PH Property. So kamusta kayo guys?
So ito today naman nandito kami kay Allegra Garden Place. So i-discuss namin sa inyo itong napakagandang project na to. Okay po. Okay, so this one, so right now, ito I believe marami nang nakakaalam nitong project na to. So we'll discuss a quick information about this project. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard.
Pasig Boulevard, yes. It's sa Barangay Bagong Ilog,
Bagong Ilog.
Pasig City.
Pasig City. Okay, so itong project na to, this one is just beside the Prisma Residence.
So it's along C5. So actually guys, makikita naman natin dito, if you're going to pass C5, makikita nyo na tong building na to. Actually, ano na siya, it's very iconic na kung makikita nyo, lalo na kapag gabi.
Yeah.
So, napakadaming ilaw.
Nakikita
Diba?
nyo agad. Even na kahit dumadaan ka doon sa flyover, sa Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market, makikita nyo yan eh. So, yung limang building na yun na matataas doon, pero yung dalawang pinakamataas, that's Allegra Garden Place.
Yes.
So, currently, we're on the 58th floor. So, 58th floor yung roof deck niya eh, because hanggang this project has 56 residential. Okay, and then plus the 57
So,
is
nasa roof deck tayo.
the roof deck, yeah. And then meron pa tayong penthouse level. Okay, so kagandahan nito. So, this is the tallest building here in the area.
Yes,
okay?
correct.
So, for this project, ano bang meron tayong units dito?
So here we have a studio, 1BR, 2BR, and 3BR. So on this project guys, marami pa tayong available inventories.
Yeah, oo.
So yun nga, makikita nyo naman sa mga previous namin ni Mitch, videos namin dito kay Allegra Garden Place. Grabe, napakaganda nung
Oo.
mismong project. Easily accessible siya. Strategically located siya sa CBD, so malapit siya sa BGC.
And at the same time, lapit rin siya kay Ortigas CBD.
Yes.
Nasa gitna siya ng dalawang major business district natin
Yes,
dito.
correct.
So, ito kagaya nasa likodan lang namin si BGC Makati area. Diba? And while nandito sa left side namin si Ortigas. So lahat dito kita mo 360 view ba? Diba? So kung napanood nyo yung mga videos namin ni Mike, especially yung units natin
Yung facing mountain.
facing the mountain area, the Sierra Madre Mountain. So napakaganda, even na kahit na umaga man, morning or daytime or nighttime, ang ganda ng view,
Correct.
natin dito.
Grabe, breathtaking yung meron
Oo.
tayong mga views dito. So, actually, etong si Allegra, 2 tower kasi na meron tayo dito.
Yeah,
which is
oo,
si
oo.
Amina, ito yung naka-turnover na.
Oo.
And on July, no?
Yeah,
On
July, last week of
2025,
July. That's first week
si
of August.
Soraya
Si
Building.
Soraya Building. Second building, so this is composed of 2 high-rise residence, that's the
Yes.
condominium. And yung ang architectural team natin dito iba, this
Moroccan,
one is a Moroccan inspired.
yes.
So, kung makikita ninyo sa yung amenities natin, napakaganda with a touch of brown and green ang ang team natin dito, 'di ba? So, and then yung mga accent na mga wall accents natin dito talagang Moroccan inspired siya.
Tapos meron tayong yung first ever na indoor court.
Yeah, oo, yung basketball
nandito
court.
yung basketball court
Oo.
dito kay Allegra. So guys, grabe. Marami na ring mga dumadayo na from Prisma. Tapos dumadayo dito kay Allegra. Para maglaro,
ng
yes.
basketball. Yeah, oo. Saka yun ang what goods about this project. Yun nga, indoor siya. Wooden court siya. So, kasi yung kadalasan na basketball court natin is nasa ground
outdoor,
floor,
yes,
outdoor
yes.
siya. So, dito, this is the first indoor basketball court na ino-offer ni DMCA Homes. And also, dito rin nagsimula yung mga larger windows natin.
Correct.
And glass balcony. So, dito wala na tayong window type aircon.
It's a split type aircon na.
conditioning na tayo dito. And also, ano pa ang maganda dito? yung gym, kung nakita ninyo yung gym, di ba?
Yung gym natin dito guys, based dun sa last vlog namin ni Mitch, yung view niya facing mountain. So,
Facing
grabe,
mountain.
for example, kung nagte-treadmill kayo, meron kayong magandang view na
Yeah.
makikita nyo habang nagte-treadmill
Oo.
kayo.
Diba? So, napakaganda. So, right now, it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, napakaaliwalas ng view natin dito. Even na kahit na hindi siya ganun kainit, diba? Kahit na sabihin mong medyo mataas
Medyo
ang
makulimlim
araw,
kasi
medyo
for this
makulimlim
for
lang.
this yung weather kasi natin
Oo.
ngayon.
Pero
medyo
kanina,
makulimlim.
before tayo dito, medyo mainit. Pero hindi siya talagang actually minute. But just because of the yung technology natin, even na sa mga hallways natin, diba? So, free-flowing yung natural
Yes, yung
ventilation
binibigay
natin
ng Lumivent
dito.
Design Technology.
Yeah, oo. So, yun yung mga maganda na mga benefits na makukuha ninyo here in Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So, yan. So, that concludes our presentation na for this project. And if you want to know more, nandiyan yung numbers namin. Naka-flash sa screen. You may contact us anytime. Pili na lang kayo kung sinong gusto ninyo. So, we are happy to accommodate you po. So, you may schedule us to view in any time. So, pwede tayo mag-site viewing or also pwede tayo mag-Zoom presentation. So, again, this is Mitch Abache po of the MCA Homes. Maraming salamat po.
And it's Mike Bernales of Page Property by the MCA Home. So, guys, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel para makip up to date kayo sa mga project updates na meron kami na ina-upload namin. So, maraming salamat guys and have a great day ahead. And God
Bye-bye po.
bless.
Thank you po.